Are you looking for the best fishing pliers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best fishing pliers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the SAMSFX aluminum saltwater fishing pliers. For a pair of fishing pliers that can handle almost any job, the SAMSFX aluminum saltwater fishing pliers are an ideal choice. These pliers are made of anodized aluminum, so the body is corrosion resistant. The tungsten carbide cutter can cut braided lines and is replaceable. The jaws are serrated, perfect for removing hooks and opening a split ring. It also comes with a fly fishing nail knot tying tool, a corded lanyard, and a sheath. I fish often in saltwater, explained one customer, and all my pliers end up rusting so bad they won't open and close. These aluminum pliers do not rust and are very easy to use. I caught some redfish the other day, and these pliers had the strength to easily remove the hooks from their very tough mouths. Best pliers I have ever owned. Up next in the 4th place is the KastKing Speed Demon Pro Fishing Pliers, made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel. The KastKing Speed Demon Pro Fishing Pliers are a superior choice for saltwater fishing. Compared to aluminum fishing pliers, stainless steel KastKing pliers are nearly 50% harder and include a protective Teflon coating. The side-mounted, tungsten carbide cutters can cut through any line. The jaws are multifunction, helping to open split rings, trim wire leader, and crimp a split shot weight. They have a non-slip handle, coiled lanyard, and molded sheath. These are not only a quality set of pliers, one reviewer wrote, but these come with a split ring nose notch to assist with changing out split rings on lures or other tackle. They have a great integrated line cutter, which is now my primary tool for cutting line when out on the water. They also have notches milled into the base of the jaws that can be used as assists for cinching down knots. The 3rd product on our list is the KastKing Intimidator Fishing Pliers. A built-in wire cutter is a very handy addition to any fishing pliers. The KastKing Intimidator fishing pliers have tungsten carbide line cutters designed to cut mono fishing lines. The jaws are also capable of building a leader, tuning baits, and crimping a split shot weight. The pliers are made of S45 steel, providing long-lasting quality. The Teflon coating prevents rust and corrosion from saltwater, but they're an ideal choice for freshwater as well. Very excited that it's corrosion resistant, wrote one customer. I often fish in the rain and things get wet and slippery, but my new straight nose pliers should make things worry-free. The weight and grip keep it in hand, nice feel to it. The narrow nose is great for keeping my nanofilaments and nano braid knots nice and tight. Makes for an easy gift to friends who are just starting to fish. 2nd on our list is the Booms Fishing X1 aluminum fishing pliers. A quality lanyard can prevent your pliers from getting lost under the waves. The Booms Fishing X1 aluminum fishing pliers include a steel wire coiled lanyard, which will keep the pliers secured to your belt and keep your hands free without risking losing the pliers. They have stainless steel jaws with a hook to open split rings. The line cutter can handle either a monoline or braided line, giving a smooth and tidy cut. I'm always looking for fishing gear that will simplify and expedite my time on the boat when I'm removing fish from a hook or working on getting baits back into the water, one reviewer wrote. The Booms Fishing X1 aluminum fishing pliers do just that. They're well built and are a good size. The attached lanyard is plenty long when fully extended, and the crimper wire cutter are an added bonus. Finally, the top product on our list is the Piscifun Ultralight Fishing Pliers. For a tool that works for all seasons of fishing, consider the Piscifun Ultralight Fishing Pliers. The aircraft-grade aluminum makes the pliers lightweight and easy to use, while the CNC handles are comfortable and durable. These Piscifun pliers include tungsten carbide cutters sharp enough for braided lines, and easily replaceable. The multi-function jaws can open split rings, crimp sleeves or leads, and remove hooks. "These fishing pliers are great," wrote one customer. "I have used it ice fishing several times since I purchased it, and the line cutter at the bottom of the mouth of the pliers is a huge bonus. The slotted clamp for sinkers is also a huge plus. Lastly, the pliers are not at all bulky, so seeing your hooks or lure in a fish's mouth is easy." Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.